get the tools, and then as I said before, oh, some of the tools are inside, eh? Sheesh. Okay, give me a second, chat. I'll get the. Give me 1 second. Yeah. Yeah, right, because you know what? 11% left. I don't know how long it's going to last. Give me 1 second, chat. Gonna grab some food.
Community. Follow us on TikTok at cater.au to stay up to date.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry, chat. Sorry. Ooh. Let's put these in here. Now. So we've got 30 viewers. Let's go, chat. So what we'll do now. Oh, what a dumbass. I forgot to pull. Wow. That's a bit funny. Should be alright. He's back in. Don't forget, because lucky one was super tight anyway, so it should be alright. It's good to have a light on top of this thing, eh? So let's put this back on quickly. Then take off these ones. This one, as you can see, it's only got 4, which I don't like about these BMW studs, eh? Like you can't, as soon as you take the wheel nuts off, it comes off already. As you can see, the tires are pretty good, but they're like old Achilles ATR Sport 235s, 45, 17. Nice BMW M Sport wheels. Let's go try and do one of these. Just use ratchet spanner. See if the 12 will fit. 12 is not going to fit. 17 come in. Don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe on the channel. Check out the YouTube shorts, we're doing a lot of them. Greatly appreciate it if you can. So we'll get like a 13. Yeah, I think it's 13. Yep, 13. And then I'll do them. Then we can put the plates on as well, which I have to show you. So I'm going to do with this is a 3/8 drive ratchet and a 13mm socket. So I'll do these. Don't forget, chat, please support the channel, smash that subscribe. I think it was like 38 more people to reach the 500 mark, which will be amazing. But yeah, if you enjoy the content, keep watching, press that notification button. Yeah, I've been trying to do a lot of shorts lately. And lives as well. Lives are a bit easier. How's everyone Christmas going?